In the last video, we looked at determining annual policy premiums. In this video, we're going to be looking at what happens to premiums when the policies don't continue for the entire year and they're canceled within the year before a full year is up. And we're going to look at two situations, and they're going to be handled differently. And the determining factors are who is stopping this policy. Is it the property owner or is it the insurance company? So here in these first item, we're going to consider calculating short-term premiums, so premiums less than a year, and cancellations less than a year. And these are going to involve when it's the property owner that stops the policy, not the insurance company. They're perfectly happy, but for some reason, the property owner wants out. So looking at the notes here, let's just take a look. Sometimes insurance purchase for less than a year. So maybe you are going to be renting a building and you're only going to be there, maybe it's June or July, and you're only going to be there through December, so you don't need insurance for the whole year. You only need it for part of the year. Sometimes an owner needs to cancel a policy. Either they sell the building or they decide they're going to change insurance company. They found somebody that's better or cheaper. And when this happens, when the owner stops the policy, the short-term rates that are going to be charged involve penalties. So the insurance company is not going to let you out easily from this policy. They're going to make some extra money here. So short-term premium. So now we looked at annual premium. This is when we have an annual premium, but we want out for some reason. So the short-term premium, we're going to be taking the annual premium here, and then we're going to be multiplying it by a short-term rate. And remember I said these rates involve penalties. So let's take a look quickly here. Let's say you want out after 4 months. So after 4 months, you want out. So if we looked 4 months out of 12 months, so 4/12, that's our year. Well, that's our portion of the year that we've had insurance for. 4/12, written as a percent, that's 25%. So you would think that we would be charged 25% of the annual premium. No, if we look here, we can see it's 55%. So this 25 versus 55% that the insurance company is going to charge. This is what it says, this penalty here. They are going to be making more money to let us out, or the property owner out of the policy before the year is up. So let's look at a couple of examples of this. So we have this guy here, Bob Garrett. He sold the building in Cleveland, Ohio. Because of the sale of the building, he canceled his fire insurance after 4 months. So he sold the building, doesn't need it anymore. Annual premium was $4,680, and we're asked to find the amount to be refunded to him. So the annual premium is $4,680, and now we are going to multiply this 4,680 by the factor here, which is 55%. So times 55%, and remember, 55% is equal to 0.55. So when we do this multiplication, we get $2,574. This is the premium for 4 months. Premium for 4 months. So this is what the insurance company is going to keep for the 4 months that he was insured. We want to know how much is he going to get refunded. So to do that, let's take the total amount of premium he paid, the $4,680, and subtract out what the insurance company is going to keep, the $2,574, and that gives us $2,106, which is the amount of the refund. Okay, another example like this. I'm going to change from the red, not liking the red anymore. Okay, so now here, Remax Realty pays an annual fire insurance premium of $2,350. They decide to go to a new insurance company. It transfers insurance companies again after 4 months. So, you know what? Let's change this. We did 4 months already. So let's do 8 months and take a look after 8 months. Do something different so we don't get bored. So here's his annual premium. And for 8 months, we have to determine the factor. So going back to our sheet here, time in months, for 8 months, it's 80% of the premium. So for 8 months, 80% is going to be charged by the insurance company. So we do the multiplication and we get $1,880. And this represents the premium for the 8 months. And now for the amount refunded, we have the premium that was paid, the $2,350, and subtract out the $1,880 that the insurance company is going to keep, and that gives us $470 for a refund. So that's what happens if the owner cancels. You have to go to your table there, find the value, the percentage to be used, and do your multiplication. Now let's consider calculating prorated premium cancellations. So again, we're going to be calculating premiums less than a year, but in this case, it's the insurance company that stops policy. So in this case, the insurance, you're happy. The insured, the person who, the property owner, they're not unhappy. They're not looking to change, but for some reason, the insurance company wants to cancel this policy. So here, let's take a look at these notes. Insurance company cancels the policy, so not the property owner. I already mentioned that. Usually, this is a result of fraud or violation of the policy. So the insurance company finds something that is in violation of their terms, and so they cancel the policy. In this situation, there is no penalty incurred by the insured. So what's going to happen is the insured is going to pay a strict proration of the premium. So here, the premium kept by the insurance company is going to be the annual premium, but now instead of some funky amount that they've come up with where they earn a little bit extra, it's going to be strictly the number of months that have passed that the insurance has been in effect divided by 12, the number of months in the year. And the premium refunded, similar to before, is going to be the annual premium less the prorated premium that the insurance company keeps. 2 examples here to make sure we are good with this. First example, Your Creations Art Supplies had a fire insurance policy, annual premium of $2,832. Because the insured was in violation of fire codes, the insurance company canceled the policy. So insurance company cancels after 7 months and prorated the premium. And two things we want to find: the amount of the premium kept by the company and the amount of refund to the insured. So as in the other examples, we take our annual premium, in this case the $2,832, but now instead of having to reference a table to get an amount, we multiply it by something over 12 months. And in this case, it's 7 months. So we multiply this by 7/12. Now, in doing this, you could, in your calculators, to keep it easy, do 2,832 times 7, and then divide that by 12. If anybody wants to go over how you do these in the calculators, please let me know, and we can look at that. So when we do this multiplication, we get 1,652. And this is the premium that is retained, the premium kept by the insurance company. In terms of the refund, it's the $2,832 premium paid for the year, less the premium, the part kept by the insurance company, which gives us $1,180, which is the refund, the amount of premium that's going to be refunded to this art supply store. And now this last example for this video. Again, find the amount of premium retained by the company and then the amount of refund to the insured. In this, we have a coffee shop, Java City Coffee, pays an annual fire insurance premium of $4,270. And notice, more than the art supply place. So either this was this is a bigger building, or maybe it's in a higher risk area. Don't know why, but just thought I'd point that out rather than just plow through these. So annual premium $4,270, and now again insurance company cancels, and this time after 3 months. So we take our annual premium, $4,270, and over 12, because there's 12 months in the year, and in this case, it's canceled after 3 months. So multiply your 4,270 times 3, take that answer, divide by 12, and you get $1,067.50, which is the premium retained or the premium kept by the insurance company. And then for the refund, the premium, annual premium paid, minus this amount that the insurance company is going to keep, and that gives us $3,202.50, which is going to be the amount refunded.